Most people assume the wealthy are always chasing higher incomes or the next big opportunity. But here's a quiet truth: most wealthy individuals don't focus on earning more. Instead, they focus on how their money is organized. This approach is calm, deliberate, and often overlooked. In this video, we'll explore how simple systems, not just intelligence or hustle, form the backbone of lasting wealth. We'll break down the core principles that guide thoughtful wealth builders and show why structure matters more than excitement. Let's begin by looking at how money is separated by purpose. Wealthy people rarely keep all their money in one place. Instead, they separate it by purpose. There's money for spending covering daily life and lifestyle. There's money for safety set aside for emergencies or unexpected needs. And there's money for growth invested for the long term. This separation isn't about complexity, it's about clarity. Each dollar has a job. This simple structure reduces confusion and helps ensure that important goals are always funded. It's a system that works quietly in the background, supporting both confidence and control. First bucket is for spending. This is the money used for daily expenses, bills, and lifestyle choices. Wealthy individuals set clear boundaries for this bucket. They know what's available for enjoyment and what is. This approach prevents lifestyle creep and keeps spending in check even as income grows. By defining what's for today, they protect what's meant for tomorrow. It's a calm, measured way to enjoy life without risking long-term goals. Second bucket is safety. This is money set aside for emergencies, downturns, or unexpected events. Wealthy people treat this as non-negotiable. It's not about fear, it's about stability. By having a dedicated safety buffer, they avoid panic decisions when life changes. This buffer is often kept in accessible, low-risk accounts. It's a quiet foundation that allows for calm, rational choices, no matter what happens in the market or economy. Third bucket is for growth. This is where money is invested for the future. Wealthy individuals use this bucket to build assets over time. The focus is on long-term growth, not quick wins. Investments here are chosen for their reliability and ability to compound. By keeping this bucket separate, they avoid dipping into growth money for short-term wants. This discipline is a key reason their wealth endures. Many believe that wealth requires complex strategies or constant change. In reality, simplicity is a powerful advantage. Wealthy people design systems that are easy to follow and repeat. These systems reduce errors, save time, and lower stress. Simplicity also makes it easier to stick with a plan even when markets are volatile. By avoiding unnecessary complexity, they free up mental energy for what matters most. Wealthy individuals often prioritize predictability over excitement. They choose investments and systems that deliver steady, reliable results. This isn't about chasing the highest returns or the latest trends. It's about building a foundation that can weather ups and downs. Predictability brings peace of mind. It allows for better planning and fewer surprises. Over time, this steady approach leads to greater confidence and more consistent growth. Routine is a quiet force in wealth building. Wealthy people automate as much as possible. Bills are paid automatically. Investments are made on a set schedule. Reviews happen at regular intervals. This routine reduces the need for constant decisions. It also ensures that important actions aren't forgotten. Over time, these small, repeated steps add up to significant results. Decision fatigue is real even for the most successful. Wealthy people know that too many choices can lead to mistakes or inaction. That's why they create simple, repeatable systems. By limiting the number of decisions they make about money, they save energy for bigger opportunities. This approach is calm and intentional. It's not about doing less, it's about doing what matters with clarity. One of the most important principles is thinking long-term. Wealthy people don't expect instant results. They understand that real growth takes time. Their systems are built to last for years, even decades. This patience allows investments to compound and opportunities to mature. By focusing on the long view, they avoid the stress of short-term swings and stay committed to their plan. Compounding is the quiet engine behind lasting wealth. When money is left to grow over time, the results can be surprising. Wealthy people structure their systems to take full advantage of compounding. They reinvest earnings, avoid unnecessary withdrawals, and let time do the heavy lifting. This approach isn't flashy, but it's remarkably effective. Clarity is a hallmark of wealthy systems. Every account, investment, and expense has a clear purpose. This clarity makes it easier to track progress and spot issues early. It also reduces stress because there's less uncertainty. Wealthy people don't complicate things for the sake of it. They know that clear, simple systems are easier to maintain and improve. Consider a business-minded professional. They might have a set salary, bonuses, and investment income. Instead of mixing everything together, they allocate each source to a specific purpose. Salary covers living expenses, bonuses go to safety or growth, investment income is reinvested. This structure keeps their finances organized and their goals on track. It's a system that works quietly year after year. Business owner may have variable income. To manage this, they set a baseline salary for themselves, just like an employee. Extra profits are divided between safety, growth, and reinvestment in the business. This approach brings predictability to an unpredictable world. It also ensures that personal and business finances remain separate, reducing risk and confusion. Automation is a key tool for wealthy individuals. By setting up automatic transfers, bill payments, and investments, they remove the need for constant attention. This reduces the chance of missed opportunities or forgotten tasks. Automation also helps keep emotions out of financial decisions. The result is a system that runs smoothly, even when life gets busy. Wealthy people review their systems regularly, but they don't react to every change in the market. Scheduled reviews monthly, quarterly, or annually help them stay on track. These reviews are calm and focused. They look for trends, not headlines. This approach keeps their systems aligned with their goals without unnecessary stress or overreaction. There's always noise in the world of money, news, opinions, and trends. Wealthy people tune out most of it. They trust their systems and stick to their plan. By focusing on what they can control, they avoid being swayed by every headline. This calm, steady approach is a major reason their wealth endures. Many wealthy individuals work with advisors, but they use advice to support their systems, not to chase the latest idea. Advisors help clarify goals, review progress, and keep things on track. The relationship is built on trust and long-term thinking. Advice is valuable, but only when it fits into a simple, predictable structure. Intelligence is valuable, but it's not the main driver of wealth. Many smart people struggle financially because they lack structure. Wealthy people use their intelligence to design systems, not to outsmart the market. The real advantage comes from consistency, discipline, and clarity, not from being the smartest person in the room. Over time, consistent actions outperform occasional brilliance. Wealthy people know that small, steady steps lead to big results. They don't rely on luck or perfect timing. Instead, they trust their systems and let time work for them. This consistency is a quiet superpower in wealth building. Simple systems are less prone to error. When finances are organized and routines are clear, there's less room for mistakes. Wealthy people design their systems to be easy to follow, even when life is complicated. This reduces stress and increases the chances of reaching their goals. To outsiders, wealthy systems might seem boring. There's little drama or excitement. But this is by design. Boring systems are often the most effective. They work quietly day after day, delivering steady progress. Wealthy people embrace this calm approach, knowing that excitement often leads to mistakes. Sticking with a plan isn't always easy. Markets change, opportunities appear, and emotions can run high. Wealthy people stay the course by trusting their systems. They know that discipline is more important than reacting to every change. This steady approach is what allows their wealth to grow quietly over time. If you enjoy seeing how wealth really works, feel free to follow along for more insights. We explore the systems and principles that make a difference, not just the headlines. Our focus is on clarity, calm, and long-term results. Chasing the next dollar or the latest trend rarely leads to lasting wealth. Wealthy people understand that structure and discipline matter more than constant hustle. By focusing on systems, they avoid the stress and disappointment that come from chasing quick wins. Their approach is calm, measured, and ultimately more effective. Structure is the quiet power behind lasting wealth. It's not about rigid rules, but about creating a framework that supports your goals. Wealthy people design their systems to be flexible, yet reliable. This structure allows them to adapt when needed without losing sight of the bigger picture. Simplicity isn't just a preference, it's a strategy. Wealthy people know that simple systems are easier to maintain, easier to improve, and more likely to succeed. By stripping away unnecessary complexity, they create space for what matters most. This simplicity is a source of strength, not a weakness. Lasting wealth doesn't shout, it doesn't chase headlines or trends, it grows quietly, supported by structure, discipline, and time. Wealthy people understand that the most powerful systems are often the simplest. Their approach is calm, confident, and focused on the long term. As we've seen, wealth isn't about chasing money or being the smartest. It's about structure, clarity, and patience. Simple systems applied consistently are more powerful than any quick fix. If you're building wealth for the long term, focus on organizing your money with purpose. Let your systems do the heavy lifting and trust that quiet progress will lead to lasting results. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how wealthy people structure their money. Remember, lasting wealth is built on calm, simple systems, not on excitement or complexity. We hope these insights help you approach your own finances with greater clarity and confidence. Until next time, keep building quietly and thoughtfully.